This is a bit messy. So I found these two stainless steel kitchen thingies a couple weeks ago, and they're super useful. Use them all the time. I think they make for great workshop storage, but they were kind of disgusting. So even though you see me here handling these, when I got them, I could barely touch them without being disgusted. What? I am flabbergasted. Yeah, but all the work of cleaning up was really worth it. Even though, as you can see here, they're not equally sized, which is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Here you see me screwing both of these to an old piece of plywood that I had laying around. A little skin, look at it, look at it. Okay, sorry, I am getting sidetracked. Yeah, and here, this was kind of stupid. They almost like ripped apart the plywood because they weren't connected yet. Whoops. Now, what about these wheels? I think they're kind of sexy, but I only had two of them. You saw me kind of searching them out earlier. I only had two of them, so I had to build little feet on the other side, which I actually think is nice. Like, everything has wheels in my workshop, but I never thought of just putting two wheels on things so that I could kind of like, you know, cart them around instead of them always having the possibility to roll. Kind of blew my own mind a little there. I think it's a really cool approach to this problem. These other two legs just kind of ended up being like one piece of wood cut from some scrap that I had laying around, and then just putting a diagonal cut on it. Call that mid-century modern. Here I do a trick that I do a lot, and I think people should get more used to. Like, I don't like measuring things, so I just kind of take an object whose size I like, and I just put it and use it as a measure, like whatever it may be. In this case, it's just like a ruler's thickness that is the distance to the end of the board, you know? So I thought for pretty long about how to attach these to this, because I don't want to screw through, I don't want to drill a hole in the stainless steel. This is only a centimeter thick, so not a lot of grip for the screws. But I realized that actually I don't need to put a screw all the way through here. I can use one of these and attach this to the leg and then attach this to the table. And it's okay because the most force is pushing. So I just need this piece of wood to be able to lift the leg whenever I want to lift the whole wardrobe, box, whatever, whenever I want to lift the whole thing. So it's fine. Houston, we have a set of legs, wheels, whatever you want to call them. Now here I realized that the legs were still a little short, so I added some custom wooden stoppers. I'm kind of rough drilling this stuff in here. No one's ever gonna see it but you guys, and We're gonna keep it a secret, right? It's just a secret between you and me. Jesus. I hate doing like jokes that every YouTuber guy, whatever does. I am different, guys. I'm not like the other YouTubers. Jesus. These rubber stoppers I bought for a friend who installed a pull-up bar. And now I have 40 more of them lying around, so I just add them to every project I do. And they look great. And they protect my already fucked up floor a little more. So, you know, at least I won't fuck it up much more. I really want to put this on here, but one day I'll get a nice wooden plate for this. For now, I'm going to put an ugly, weird, green piece of cardboard on it. That's life. That's life. Here I really thought I would hand saw this, and after like 2 minutes of hand sawing I realized that I'll just use the jigsaw. Who cares? I need to vacuum my room anyways, so I might as well get more reasons to do it, huh? Yeah. Hand sawing is really becoming annoying for me. I miss my table saw. Some thwacks to get the hole started. Being the professional builder I am, I snapped a drilling bit in half here. Wasn't wearing eye protection. That's on me. I will learn one day. Great footage here, you can really see what I'm doing. Honestly, I don't even remember. Okay, I'm drilling holes to put some screws in between the two cupboards, whatever you call them, sets of drawers, so that they stay together and that not all of the strain is on the plywood. I love this little thing. Love just gives you the most satisfying product. My grandpa gifted it to me, must have been 10 years ago. And it's just so nice to clean up holes that you drilled so that they don't cut up your fingers. Amazing. Greasy ass hair. Go wash your hair. Go in the shower and wash your hair now. What are you doing? Jesus. Am I tired? What am I doing? I think, okay, yeah, I mean, I guess I'm still fixing this thing. Oh yeah, I remember this being very awkward. Like I could barely reach it. Yeah, I don't know what's up with me looking weird while building things. I'm happy with this, but I do think it needs a handle, and then I need to put all the stuff back in. Hello, snacks, water, wine. You want anything to eat? Man, I would make it for a great steward. Maybe I should drop my studies and become a stewardess. With this card, the heaviest. I built the heaviest stewardess card in the history of air flight. Breaking news, airplane crashes because it was too heavy.